Hello guys, welcome to AZ Sunisi channel. Itong video po na panonoorin natin ngayon ay at i-review ay nangyari po itong totoo sa Amerika. Ito po yung mga pulis patula na nagkakaroon ng mga kaso na racial profiling kung tawagin nila. Po yung nanghuli sila ng hindi nila kakulay, lalong-lalo na po yung mga puti na mga pulis at hinuhuli nila yung mga itim na walang dahilan at walang crime. So sa video po na ito, mapapanood natin kung paano po sila pinahiya ng isang South Sudanese man. At ang pangalan po pala ng may-ari ng video na ito ay si It's a Crazy World. Makikita nyo po ito sa YouTube kung isi-search nyo po yung channel name niya. Panoorin po natin at sama-sama po tayong mag-react.
Your racial profile, am I? Yeah, you're wrong. You're assuming I'm someone that I'm not. Get out my video, man. You guys are harassing me. Yes, you guys are. Hey, you're harassing me. Yes, you are. No, no. He's harassing me. Why are you harassing me? You're assuming I'm someone I'm not. No. Us. Am I being detained? Yeah, you are. For what? You think? That's an illusion. That's an illusion. You think? I'm not. For what? I don't have any marks to see I'm the wrong guy. You're really wrong.
What? Me?
I don't have any marks to see I'm the wrong guy. You're really wrong. No, you are wrong. What do you mean if you're wrong? You're wrong. You're wrong.
Arm.
For what? For what? Can you tell me for what? For what?
So sa pagkakataon na po na ito ay nagdi-depends yung South Sudanese man na wala siyang ginawang kamalian, pero makikita nyo po yung dalawang pulis sa patula na nag-i-insist talaga ng kung ano man ang nakita nila sa mama.
I'm under arrest. No. You got the wrong guy. I'm shooting all you guys. Let me get your card. Can I get your card? Okay. I'm not standing up. Listen, I'm not under arrest. I don't have a warrant. I don't have anything. Hey, yo. Hey, you got the wrong guy. I'm showing you.
Sinasabi po nila na talagang mali yung ginagawa nila. Kahit po yung mga
Guys, it's stupid. That's not you. Guys, a racial profile thinking I'm somebody. Take some cuffs off. You guys really had nothing else to go to college for but be a cop and harass me to assume I'm somebody I'm not. I use my back pocket.
So sabi nung Sudanese man, tingnan nyo yung ID ko nasa back pocket. At hindi pa rin naniniwala yung mga pulis at tinuloy ang kanilang pag-aresto sa Sudanese man. Tingnan niyo po kung anong ginawa nila.
Hey, watch how funny this is. Oh, what does that say? What does that say? Oh!
Wrong guy.
Oh!
Wrong guy.
Oh my God!
So, sa sitwasyon po na ito, nung kinuha na nga ng isang pulis yung wallet ng FBI agent. Nagulat sila dahil FBI special agent pala yung mama. Kaya para silang binuhusan ng malamig na yelo sa muka. Kaya tingnan niyo po yung naging reaction nila.
Off me, dude! Get off me, dude!
Bro, you dumb.
I need our cards. I need your supervisor over here. Oh, your supervisor. These guys are listening for my
So dumating yung supervisor nila at makikita mo kung gaano katapang at ano ang naging reaction niya. Kung pinagtanggol niya pa nga pala yung mga tao niya or naghumingi sana siya ng sorry. Pero panoorin po natin kung anong naging action niya.
They assume I'm someone that I'm not. I told them I'm not who they think I am. And they said, no, you are. I'm positive you are. I need their cards. I need your card. I need your card. I need your card. No. Yes. I request your card. Why?
Bro, that's fucked up. Bro, this is people.
Yes, I'm the people that so
I think you're corrupt.
okay, I'll have your card. Yep. And I'm gonna follow the board. You and you.
So sa umpisa ayaw niya pang ibigay yung card niya. Nagmamatigas siya. Pero napilitan din silang ipakita yung mga card nila dun sa Sudanese man. na sa bandang huli pala ay special FBI agent.
Work on it? You assume someone is someone and that's it? That's all you guys need? Yeah? Oh my god, what an American. I'm like complaining all of you guys. Do your job better. I will make a complaint.
So sa bandang huli, sinermo na sila ng South Sudanese man at ihahabla nila ito. Sinabihan niyang ihahabla nila ito. Sa mga nanonood dyan na naka-experience ng ganito, hindi maganda ito, di ba? Racial profiling ang tawag nila dito. Sa Pilipinas, alam ko maraming ganito, lalong-lalo na dun sa sa tingin nila mga pulis ay mahihirap. So, sana po ay nakakuha kayo ng aral sa video na ito. At mag-subscribe naman po kayo kung sa tingin nyo ay nasayahan kayo sa panonood.